So now let's see how we can work around with the Smart Fill option inside of Corel Draw. Let's say, for example, I have some overlapping shapes right here, just like this. And I am also going to go around, bring in an ellipse right here. So you can see that I got overlapping shapes, and these are separate shapes altogether right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to fill out its intersections separately right here. In that case, what I can do is let me just go ahead and select these all right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto the fill tool section, and I'm going to choose Smart Fill. So once I go ahead and do that, I can click anywhere and it actually goes ahead and creates out a shape and fills out that section right there. I can go around, choose another color right here, just like this as well. Let's go around and click on this area right here, choose another color, this area, another color right here, this area, another color, and so forth, as you can see right here. And that is how you can go ahead and fill out intersections right here. It is actually not filling the shape, but creating the separate shape out of the intersections, as you can see right here, so that it seems as if it is filling the area. And this is how you can utilize the Smart Fill tool inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.